Most of us spend a lot of time creating documentation. Unfortunately, putting thousands of words on a page doesn't always prove effective. What may seem clear to you could be a riddle to someone else in your team. Enter Gliffy. Diagrams speak more clearly than words and leave far less room for ambiguity. So whether you're updating the company database system, making changes to a web page, brainstorming, or adding new hires to your org chart, we can help. When you are showing in addition to telling, you get your point across faster. Gliffy makes you a better communicator. You'll be able to create business process diagrams with drag and drop ease. Quickly find shapes you need when mapping out your network. Be able to draw UML diagrams and link them directly to code or design databases. You can also import Visio VSDX files. Your diagrams and any notes you add will be visible to any member of your team. It's that easy. Then, you'll be able to make adjustments directly in Confluence. Once part of your Confluence instance is accessible to anyone using the wiki. Using Gliffy means no more sending email attachments back and forth. Its highly intuitive platform makes Gliffy the top-selling add-on in the Atlassian ecosystem, trusted by over 10,000 businesses of every size. Adding diagrams to your wiki will eliminate ambiguity, will make you a better communicator, and will save time in the long run. Sign up for a free 30-day trial today and try Gliffy for yourself.